To draw a Christmas wreath, you start by drawing a circle. Then you draw smaller circles along the line of the big circle. Leave a little space above each circle. You could draw as many little circles as you like, but for my wreath, I'll be doing 6 circles. Now get your eraser and clean off all the lines in the little circles. Now mark the middle point in all the little circles. From the middle point to the circle line, draw an oval. Draw another one across. Now do this again from across. Now you have 4 flower petals. Draw 4 small ones in between the big ones. Now, with your eraser, wipe off the circle line. Now do the same thing you just did in all the little circles. Next, you are going to draw leaves. This is how you do it. Draw a long curved line, draw a short curved line, then draw another short curved line going the opposite direction. Draw 3 loops on either side of the line, joining them at the tip. Then draw little lines in the middle. And above the leaves, draw 3 circles. Now, let's try it. Do the same thing beneath each flower. Now at the top of the circle, draw a little square. Draw 2 loops at the sides of the square. Then draw 2 smaller loops in the middle. Now draw 2 curved lines underneath and at the corners. Draw an oval on one side and another on the other. At the left side of the ribbon, draw 2 lines and a V, and at the right side, draw 2 lines and a V. Next up, get a marker of any color of your choice. I'll be using yellow, and fill in the big flower petals. Then, with any color of your choice, fill in the small ones. After this, take a green marker and fill in all the leaves. Also fill in the little balls. Then color your ribbon red. Design and color in your bells however you like. Now get a green colored pencil. Draw a line, then draw some feathery lines on the left and some on the right in an upward direction. I'll do it again. A line, some feathery lines on the left and some on the right in an upward direction. Now repeat the same thing on the other side. Now do this all around the circle. When you're done with that, take a green marker and do the same thing all around. And finally, take a black ink pen and outline all the leaves, all the flowers, all the little red balls, and the ribbon and the bells. And we're done. What do you think? Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!